Welcome to Da Nang. It's 9 o'clock. It's super hot already. It's crazy. Guys, the summertime is full on. I think, I don't know how warm the water is probably. Let me know in the comments. I have not been in there yet. But I think the water temperature is also very warm now because it's so hot every day. And it's very calm, so it should be very warm. And we're starting our walk here with a little bit of an update again. Let's see how many people are working at the moment, because that also means it's Sunday. And I can see at least roughly 10, 15, 20 people, maybe 20 even, yeah. 20 people working at the same time. You see a Mercedes in front of it? So someone in charge is probably also here and pressing for deadlines. I can see the water inside. Some beds are in the water already. Interesting. We're getting there. I think next week it should be open. Maybe they have soft opening next week. I will definitely check it out for you guys. But now let's check how full it is in the morning here. Sunday morning. The water is absolutely calm. Super calm. My wife told me this the other day, that in the morning the water is just, it says no waves at all. I mean over there. I mean a little bit, but no real waves, right? This is crazy. Let's check out the water. I've never seen actually they put the boats on it here. Maybe they do this in the morning. It's absolutely lethal. The sun is very strong, guys. Few people are in the Holiday Beach Club. But check this out, guys. How calm the ocean is. I mean, there are a little bit waves, but if I look out to the left, it's like almost non-existing. Those waves could be from a boat. It's super calm, guys. The sand is white. And the ocean looks very nice. Whew, now I'm all the way here. How can I go away from here again? It's so hot. Look at this. The Tamarind Hotel. It's still the same name, guys. They closed, renovated, but it's again the same name, Tamarind Hotel. But I feel like they're building something on top. Something over there. Maybe it's going to be a nice rooftop. It's still not 100% done, I think. At least it looks from here like that. But as soon as it's done, I will go and have a look. No idea if they renovated inside the rooms as well, or what they actually did. But we will find out. I will definitely go back in. I was there one time. They even had a nice one-bedroom apartment and things like that. With super interesting. The toilet. You were sitting on the toilet and you have a perfect beach view. Super interesting, and I think one English member was in there. Yeah. And he showed me that place. And he said electric is free, so he can use his hardcore computers, he said. Whew, okay guys, I gotta go back. I don't understand how people can lay around here. Don't sleep with this sun, guys. You will definitely get sunburned. My calves from the sunburn already. Maybe I should become like a Vietnamese and put long clothes on. I think that's the better call here. Whew. But it's not that much going on here. I guess it's too early. Even though it's the best time. I thought it's the best time. Maybe I take it back. It's already too hot. I think maybe 8 o'clock is now the best time. 8 o'clock or in the evening when the sun is down. Because then it's still hot, but you don't have this very aggressive sun melting you away. Yeah, as you can see, there are not many people laying on the sand. I'm wondering who lives here actually goes to the beach every day. I feel like this is a vacation thing to do. But let me know in the comments if you live here. I mean, then you probably don't watch these videos, but you probably think you will go to the beach every day when you are moving here, before you move here. But then, I don't think so. Going in the water, the whole process. You can see the Sunshine Peninsula is super clear. I did a video about that yesterday already. I did an update video on the whole Antung area. And I will definitely link it up here at the end of the video or in the description. I tested another coffee shop. I'm testing so many coffee shops at the moment. I'm looking for the best espresso in town at the moment. And if the espresso is fire, then usually the cappuccino is good too. But at the moment I only drink hot coffee. It's so weird. But also maybe it is because I don't want to have any sugar in there. So espresso is the easiest solution. You can have café denda, Vietnamese drip coffee with the Robusta bean. But I feel like somehow when I'm fasting, it's too strong. Because I'm fasting every day, 21 hours, so I only eat 3 hours at the moment. And when I have the café denda, it's just a little bit too much. Especially if I want to have 2 coffees. It's too much, guys. I don't know how I was able to drink this every day, like 5 coffees of them. But now I cannot do it anymore. Now I'm back to espresso with Arabica bean. But if you're coming here for vacation, don't waste your time with coffee you can have at home. You should always go for all the specialty coffees in Vietnam. Try yourself all the way from Café Denda, the drip coffee with ice, no sugar. Try it first. Very bitter, very hardcore. Then go to a splash of condensed milk. And then try out the creamy, salty salt coffee, then coconut coffee, and then I think some different ones as well. You can have Saigon or Baksiu, where they put a little bit more milk afterwards. They have condensed milk and milk. Yeah. Try these out. A very weird one I only had in Da Nang was peanut butter coffee. So it's basically a frappe with peanut butter inside. And weirdly enough, it tastes very good. But if you have to look on your calories, maybe that's not the right thing to do. But they have very interesting coffees here, guys. And that's, if you're here on a vacation, this is what you have to do. And if you move here, you have to do it at the beginning too, because then you will find the right one for you. The sausage dog. The Paradise Beach. Serene Hotel. So if you wondered if they if the construction going on Sundays, yes, they work on Sundays too. So there's no day off. Sunday morning also. Whew. It's bloody hot, mate. But yeah, air quality is very good. Maybe I'm gonna stand here. Oh, someone lost his glasses. Guys, I gotta go back in the shade. That's too much. That's freaking too much. This is the, and there are even some clouds over there. But we need more clouds. Yeah. The heat wave is going strong. I think I saw it in my comments, and yes, it's true. It's super hot. And it's a very, very strong heat wave. So better stay in shades. That's what I'm gonna do again now. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you're watching on TV, go on up, like it. Check out this video, yeah? I did a nice little vlog, and see you in the next walk.